In part 2 of the CNC cut maze, we'll be making the clear acrylic top. Start by creating a new component. You'll name the component top or something of your choice so that you can recognize it in your browser. Select the top surface of your base component. Create a new sketch, and on that sketch you'll use the projection command and project the outline of your base component. This will serve as the outline for your new component. Extrude that to a thickness of 1/8 of an inch, 0.125. Next, we're going to change the material from the default to a clear acrylic plastic. So you're going to right-click on the body, choose Physical Material, select Plastic from the menu, find Clear Acrylic, and drag it onto your part. This will change the material properties, and it will now appear as clear in your model. In the next part, we'll cover the CAM or manufacturing.